Good morning all. In the last class we have discussed how to find marginal distribution for a given random variable x and y. The table values are displayed in your right hand of the slide. In this class we are going to find conditional probability. First of all, we have to know what is the formula to find a conditional probability. The formula for this is P of capital X equal to xi given y equal to yi equal to p of x equal to xi y equal to yi divided by p of y equal to yi. This is the formula which we are going to use to find the conditional probability for a given functions. First of all, what we are going to do is keeping y as a constant and going to vary the value of x. If you see, we are having the values of x from 1 and 2 and y value varying from 1 and 2. In addition, x value varying up to 3 whereas y value vary up to 1 and 2. So that what I am going to do is just I am going to find value of y equal to 1 and going to change the value of x, that is I am going to keep y equal to 1, just I am going to vary the value of x, that is x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. So first I am going to find the conditional probability for p of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. The formula given is p of x equal to 1 comma y equal to 1 divided by p of y equal to 1. The formula here says that p of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is in the tabular value uh, when I get x equal to 1, here the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, what is the value I am having the table, which is 2 by 21. So that is, so denominator will be p of x equal to y, x equal to 1, sorry, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is 2 by 21. So what about y, p of y equal to 1, which is the marginal distribution of y, that is the sum of this column, that is y equal to 1. The marginal distribution of p of x, y equal to 1 is 9 by 21, which is nothing but sum of these columns. Again, next I am going to find p of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. If you observe this, just I am going to keep the y value constant, that is I am going to keep y as a 1, just I am going to change only the value of y x here, that is I am going taking x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So what by formula I can write this as p of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 divided by p of y equal to 1. By the table, what is the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, that is 2 comma 1, that is take x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, the value is 3 by 21 here. So kindly substitute this value here. So divided by p of y equal to 1, that is same the marginal distribution value of y, that is 9 by 21. Therefore 3 by 21 divided by 9 by 21, which is equal to 1 by 9. So similarly we can find p of x equal to 3 and y equal to 1, which is equal to p of x equal to 3 and y equal to 1 divided by p of y equal to 1. Here x equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is 3 comma 1, which is lies in the third row and first column of the table, that is 4 by 21. Just plug in the value here, that is 4 by 21 divided by 9 by 21, which is equal to 4 by 9. Similarly we can find the values for others also, that is now take y equal to 2, that is p of x equal to 2, y equal to 2, which is equal to p of x equal to 1, y equal to 2 divided by p of y equal to 2. Here p of x equal to 1, y equal to 2 is 1 comma 2, which lies in the table first row and second column, which is 3 by 21, divided by P of y equal to is the marginal distribution P of y equal to, which is lies in the table, second column, last one, that is 12 by 21. So that is substitute these values in the above formula, therefore 3 by 21 divided by 12 by 21. Similarly, I can find P of x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. By a formula we can write P of x equal to 2 divided by P of y equal to 2 divided by P of y equal to 2, which is equal to, I have to find the value for from the table 2 comma 2, which is 4 by 21, 4 by 21 here, and the marginal distribution of y is 12 by 21, and divide both this, I will get 1 by 3. Similarly, I can find for P of x equal to 3 given y equal to 2, which is equal to P of x equal to 3 comma y equal to 2 divided by P of y equal to 2. Kindly substitute the values, that is 3 comma 2, that is third row second column, the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, which lies in the second column and third row of the table, which is 5 by 21, divided by, and marginal distribution of y, this is 12 by 21, which is equal to 5 by 12. Similarly, I can find the value for conditional distribution of y where is given for x, that is x equal to 1. Here I am going to fix x equal to 1, just I am going to vary the value of y, therefore P of y equal to 1 and x equal to 1, which is equal to P of x equal to 1, y equal to 1 divided by x equal to 1. From the table x equal to 1, y equal to 1 is 2 by 21, and divided by P of x equal to 1 is marginal distribution of x, which is 5 by 21. Just I am plugging the values here. Similarly, I can find for y equal to 2 and x equal to 1. Kindly plug in the values. In similar manner, we can get the values of conditional distribution of y here. So this is the method to find the probability distributions, and thank you all for listening. Thank you.